I know, France, but you can't go outside. I'm trying to film the birds. I am. I have to do it through the glass, and it's zoomed in. They're trying to get some of those black sunflower seeds. They really like those. So there's a couple, and then I have a smaller feeder over here. It's that white thing. And there's just all sorts of birds out here today. Yeah, I know. And little Francis, who wants to go outside. But Francis, if you go outside, you'll chase the birdies. Yeah. There. I'm so proud that they're getting those seeds and not the squirrel. I'm surprised the squirrel's not been over here, really. Maybe they chased him off. Yeah. That's about all. I'm trying to make this less shaky. Oh, those are female cardinals, I do believe. Unless there might be, it's hard for me to tell. I know, Francis, I know. It's kind of windy out there. It's also going to be, oh, there they flew away. It's also going to be pretty warm. I was trying to see if there was any more birds that I couldn't see. Let's zoom out. No, I guess that's all. Okay, that's it.